Hi, my name is Star with two R's.
Hey, start with two R's. I'm Sherry with two R's.
We also have two R's. Oh my gosh. Isn't that amazing? Because we've got this awesome collaboration coming up that I'm super excited about. If you are someone who's watching and you've got a bunch of emails in your inbox, first of all, I don't want you to feel bad because you're not alone, because I've got a bunch of unread emails in my inbox.
Okay, you ready to admit it, Star? How many are in your inbox right now?
Oh, but then if I tell everyone, then everyone will know. So let's see.
Do we want
Um,
to keep it a secret and not let them know unless they sign up and then they'll get to find out?
oh, I like that too. Well, I want you to know that Sherry and I have created this awesome thing to support you, because I know that I had a bunch of people come into me because I focus on tech and marketing in my business saying, hey, do you know anyone who helps with digital declutter and sorting and managing all of these folders and files and emails? And so I reached out to Sherry, who I've known for years, because Sherry, that's your zone of genius, is the sorting and the organizing and the getting rid of and the decluttering.
I'm not going to tell you, Star, that I've got 0 messages in my personal inbox and 0 messages in my home business. That's the kind of stuff like when I'm doing online shopping that it goes to. But my business, I think I have 5.
Yeah.
Okay, I won't tell you that though. I don't want you to feel bad.
If you're watching this and you're like, five, is that a thing? Then I would love to invite you to our upcoming Digital Declutter Email Ease workshop. It's coming up January 12th. It's got 3 parts. And by the end of these 3 parts, you will leave with way less emails in your inbox. And you'll also have some sort of ability to manage all those new emails coming in so that it doesn't get back up there. And so I'm really looking forward, because not only am I gonna collaborate with Sherry and help guide you, especially in my favorite place, the inner world of doing all this, but I'm gonna be the guinea pig. Sherry is gonna show me how to get to where you are. I might not get there as fast as you, Sherry, because I do have some rebel resistance in me. But I'm really excited to see what you got, so we can show both me and all the lovely people at our workshop how to have less emails and manage those many emails coming in a way that works for your business, your creative project, just your life.
Well, I'm ready to take you on, and I'm ready to take your inbox on. And you know what's really cool about this? Since it's going to be online, that means people will be on their computers.
Yes.
That means that their workstation is going to be right there, because this is going to be hands-on. They're going to sit there and not only learn how to do the purging and the filing and what to accept that comes in to manage it, they're actually going to be doing it with us. They are going to be sitting there learning to doing the actual purging.
That's so important, because, we're all on Zooms a lot right now. And I don't know about you, but I've taken a bunch of trainings over the last year. I want to learn all the things. And I'm not always the best at actually doing the tasks that those programs told me to do. And so I love that we're going to be getting on this Zoom call together. And you're not going to just tell us how to do it. We're going to do it together so that we actually leave feeling lighter, feeling more clear, having more space. And one of the things I was talking about even just last week when you were the guest speaker at the Red Connections Luncheon is, if we want to invite in more joy, if we want to invite in more clients, if we want to invite in more creativity, if we want to invite in more income, we got to have the space. And so let us, mostly Sherry, help you to create some more space in your inbox so that you can really pay attention to the things that matter most. And you don't have to feel weighed down and distracted by all those emails. And we don't want you feeling inbox shame like I do when I look at that number of unread emails. But if you want to know what the number is, you're going to have to sign up for the workshop.
And their computers will thank them, because you will find that you will create a lot more room on your hard drive so you can put your creative projects on there versus all the clutter that's eating up that vital space. So it'll save you money because you won't have to go out and buy another hard drive to back up all that information on because you ran out of room. This is actually, and it's going to make your life so much simpler because when you go to search for things, the less you have, the faster you're going to get your work done. But how do they sign up, Star?
Yeah, so there's an amazing link called a bit.ly link. It's super short because, you know, the less characters, the better. So bit.ly/rad email ease, EASE. That's all lowercase. And for right now, we've got an early bird special of only $147 for this 3-part workshop.
Wow.
That ends the day after Christmas because we want you to treat yourself with the gift of more space for this holiday season. And so I would love to have you join us for this amazing group experience where we all get to digitally declutter together as we find more ease in our email.
Yes, and with more space comes less frustration and less overwhelm and more stuff done in your workday and in your home because you'll have more time to do other things if you're not struggling. Oh, Star, this sounds so exciting. And I can't, because I know that your number of emails changes every time that you and I meet. So I can't wait to actually find out how many are going to be in your inbox the day we start. And I'll also find out if we've decided to cut the number of R's in our names just to declutter our names too, right?
That's right. We'll be announcing that on January 12th at 10 a.m. Pacific time at our first class. I hope you can join us. It'll be awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sherry, with 2 R's.
And Star with 2 R's for now.
For now.